Hey guys, back for electrical. So I'm here installing some recess light in a ceiling for one of my general, you know, man where boss me in business, you understand? So just be a go and drop in some recess light for him and things. So remember guys, um feel free to like, subscribe and share and hit that notification bar right beside subscribe. You understand? So you can get the latest content. So on to the installment. So as you can see, these are the recess lights I will be installing. So it's pretty straightforward. So when I buy a box to get four of these LED recess light. So this is how they are packaged, you know. So I have a total of 8 recess light to install, and it come with a box. So this is all that comes with the recess light. So these light they can adjust based on your liking, so they can adjust the temperature like not in degrees but in terms of light color, you know. So they range from um 2700K to 500K. So the 2700K would be the reddish color one, and the 500K would be the more like the blue one. So you can switch it to where you want. So the customer said that you want it on the 500K, so I'm just gonna do that. So this recess light come with a box that houses it houses a ballast to regulate the voltage. So in this case, it input a 120 volt, whether it's 50 hertz or 60 hertz, it doesn't matter. You know, um, an output 20 to 35 volt DC. You understand? And this is between 190 to 260 milliamp. And so it's very energy efficient. So guys, if you want to save on light bills and so forth, you can purchase some of these lighting fixtures, you know. So I'm just gonna put in some banding nipple and so forth to have it installed. So guys, putting in the banding nipple is very straightforward. So what you want to do is you want to have a flathead screwdriver and place it in the little slot. So you place it in the slot, just use it out like this. And that's it. And so it comes with some very nice wire connectors, so you don't have to twist or anything. You just strip the wire and just stuck it inside. So it's very simple and straightforward. Just want to have a electrical background, and that's it. So that's it. Banding nipple installed and ready to go. So now I'm going to go on the ladder to install ballast, and then I'll show you after because I can't record while I'm up there. But I'm gonna try fix my camera and if I can get a bit of recording. So there guys, I've just done the recessed light and I've connected the switch and energized it, so that is what it's look like. That's the end result, you know. So all went well. So I just have this switch to connect, and this switch is a temporary switch. We're gonna have a two-way switch here and here, and next one for the veranda here. So we just temporarily install a single pole switch there to switch on the light for now. So that's it guys. So now I have these plugs to connect throughout. That's it guys.